Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will learn LSWR skills. What is LSRW? Is the 4 skills of language learning, a set of 4 capabilities that allow an individual to comprehend and produce spoken language for proper and effective interpersonal communication. These skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Listening. Listening is the primary learning skill. It is what to know to responsive ability or a latent skill, and it expects us to utilize our ears and our minds to understand, and it is being told to address to us. It is the first of 2 for normal learning skills. Listening is the capacity to precisely acquire and translate the significance in the communicative process. Listening is a critical to very essential and the most useful and powerful skill needed to effectively understanding and correlating the essentials and fundamentals. Without the ability to listen adequately, the understanding is essentially mistaken. Subsequently, correlation separates out and the understanding waits without much of the stretch, and the learner gets baffled. Speaking is the communication medium of learning orally. To talk, we must make sound utilizing numerous pieces of our body, including the lungs, vocal tract, vocal lines, tongue, teeth, and lips. Speaking is the second of the 4 skills. Speaking is normally the second expertise we learn. Speaking or talking means to communicate or expressing one's thoughts and feelings, and in spoken language. In the primary schools, elocution and recitation are the main source to measure the phonetics, the sounds, the rhythm, and to the extent the intonation, modulation, and variation in the way to the effective in convening ideas and formation. Reading. One of the primary things you find out about reading is that there are diverse reading strategies, and students ought to know about which procedure is the most fit as required for the reading effort required by the content by the educator, that is the teacher. Preparing the students to know the reading methods and derive when best to apply them in reality significant, particularly understand set conditions when opportunity limitations become possibly the most important factors, and choices should be made relying upon them. Become possibly the most factor relying upon them, accessibly, and the significance of the outcome that needs to be achieved. Writing is a 4-stage expertise we may gain in our learning. Similarly, as with speaking, it is gainful or dynamic expertise, as it expects us to utilize our hands and our minds to deliver the composed message, idea, thought, or information that would have spoken otherwise. How to improve our English speaking skills? Improve your pronunciation. Watch out your location, expand your vocabulary, especially your medical along with the in general vocabulary. Pick a topic and talk on it and record it. Grab every opportunity to speak. It helps you develop your confidence. Think in English and talk in English. Retell a story in English. Thank you.